This happy customer needed a Whirlpool ice maker repair in Overland Park. So we came out, we took a look at their ice maker. What we found was it was making ice just fine. It wasn't making it, but it cycled just fine. It passed all the tests. But it wasn't making it because the refrigerator just wasn't cold enough to make ice. So we had to look around a little bit. And here's what we found. We found that it wasn't defrosting properly. So we replaced the defrost thermostat and we steamed off the evaporator so we could quickly get airflow and bring that temperature down in the freezer and start making ice again. And we have another happy refrigerator. Don't forget we need your model number. That helps us show up prepared.